Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm currently building a massive fire-breathing dragon out of steel named Spar, and he's going to have a nearly 70-foot wingspan. My name's Kevin Stone, and I'm a metal sculptor in Las Vegas. I've been building all kinds of creatures and creations here, but this is the biggest and baddest thing I've ever created. Spar's wings are starting to take shape. You can clearly see the outline now, and if you can imagine the skin-looking sheet metal that's going to fill those empty spaces between the wing bones, you're going to see another dramatic transformation coming up on this sculpture soon. Most of the attention is on the head right now. This is where there's a lot of detail to create. Michelle is helping create templates that will become the lips, if dragons even have lips, but anyway, they'll be lining all around Spar's mouth and will look kind of lizard-like. These are small pieces, and using the power hammer with my fingers so close to the impact point is a little nerve-wracking. I've really got to pay attention here when I'm doing this so that I don't smash my finger. I've got a huge collection of hammers in my shop, and to finish each of these pieces off, I need to give them a personal touch from hammer in hand. This is the only way they're going to be the shape I want, and the little imperfections, I think, add to the lifelike quality of them. Okay, here you can see what I mean by dragon lips. The sort of pillowy texture gives it a soft look, but it also looks armor-like. You can imagine when his mouth is closed, though, that his big fangs would set right into that shape, with the sharp tips pointing out. I'm also making some changes to the nose area. The nostrils were a little bit chunky looking, and since I'm trying to make this steel look like skin, hard edges don't really work. So I've redesigned the nostril to be more of a depression in the end of his snout, and I think it looks way cooler. There's still hundreds of scales to weld onto the skin all over Spar. The scales running up the tail are generally the same shape and size, but as we move up the back, they'll begin to get larger. Michael and Michelle have spent days at the bead roller and slip roll machines, putting the subtle shapes into each and every one of these scales. There are thousands of these things being made to cover Gallspar with. It's a huge effort to do by hand. I'm going to scale the neck and head of Gallspar down here on the ground because I just can't imagine doing this 30 feet up in the air. With all the angles I need to cover to complete this job, this is way safer and easier.
So really it's just the back legs and the upper back now for scales, and the upper legs here. And there's a lot to do, but it'll look so good. We're only days away from seeing that. A week probably it's gonna take to scale it. 3.5.
Here I'm drawing out some of the scales for the chest and underbody. These are very large armor-like pieces that'll really give Gallspar some impressive visual excitement. There are going to be dozens of these pieces lining the underside of the dragon, and when we add the chest pieces, they will absolutely be huge. Getting these pieces to be the right shape requires a little nudge with the knee now and then. Hey, sometimes the manual approach is just the quickest way to get it done. If you like this video, check out my channel for a whole bunch of other videos on this project and other projects I've completed in the past. And subscribe because Gallspar is going to be breathing fire soon and you don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching.